tornado warning for Beltrami County in north-central Minnesota. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Funkley, moving east at 70 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will impact the following areas. Funkley. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body. And always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat on the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.